Hi, it's Luna, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do dynamic programming by finding the longest path in the matrix. So, this is a matrix that we're going to start off with, and here is the path that we're going to have to find. So, the technique I'm using today is called dynamic programming, and it's where you work from the bottom up in your code. So, the A matrix is the original matrix that we're going to try to find a path of the numbers that are one apart from each other. And the T matrix is where we're going to do the dynamic programming. So here you can see that since 9 and 8 are one apart, I increment 8. Same with here. And then here, since 7 and 8 are one apart, I increment 7 by, so it's 7 plus the original value of the other one. So basically, you increment the corresponding value that is one apart on this one on here. Okay, and here I'm making a function that I'm calling snake, where we pass in the A value, M is the amount of rows and N is the amount of columns. There are 2 for loops here that go for how long the amount of rows and columns are. If the absolute value of it is equal to 1, then you make the T value the corresponding value in T to either the previous value incremented You make max row I as in the amount of rows that you're on, and max column J, or the amount of columns that you're on. And you're doing this so that later on you can use this. And then here we make a function called print path, where you pass in the value T that we were just incrementing stuff on, the value A, which is the original array, the max column that we're going to use, and the max row that we're going to use. So we make I, which is now the new amount of rows, and J, which is now the new amount of columns. So then you make path, which is the new array that you're going to be adding everything to, and you append the new start value. And then every single time you go in and then you see. So if I is bigger than 0, you're looking at the value that is 1 above it, and you're seeing if it's 1 apart from it. And if it is, then you make path, you add that to path, to the new path that you're going to print out later. And then you make I, which is the rows, smaller. And then here, J, and then you do the same thing here with J, but you're looking to the right. So here is the path that you want to print out, and here is the output. Thank you for watching.